back to another Buc-ee's update video on the channel. Today is May 19th, 2025.
We're in Huber Heights, Ohio, across the street from the construction site of Ohio's First Buc-ee's. We're down here on a Monday, which is a little out of the ordinary for us, but this past weekend we had to work our Cat Rack Carnival game. We were down in Miamisburg, Ohio at the Spring Fest in the Burg. While we were down there, we got a chance to meet with some of our subscribers. Who came to see us, Sonia?
Curtis came and seen us. We had John Esper and Miamisburg Jay.
Here's a picture of our Cat Rack game. Drone video of the midway at the Miamisburg Spring Fest in the Burg. Here we are with John Esper. Here we are with Miamisburg Jay. I'm not sure why, but for some reason we didn't get a picture with Curtis. I think it was just too busy when he was visiting us. Yes, it was good to see those guys. Even though it was kind of busy down there, we still got to talk for a little bit. Miamisburg Jay actually has his own YouTube channel.
Yeah, check it out.
It's named Miamisburg Jay. He's got a lot of good content on there from the Miamisburg and Dayton areas. We'll put a link to his channel in the description, so go ahead and check him out. Tell him Follow the Arrow sent you. As far as the construction updates this week, the roof trusses and roof supports are going in and look like pretty far along to completion, I would say.
Yeah, it looked like there was a lot of work on there.
The south parking lot, they got some work going on over there. Arts Road, which is pretty much right behind us here, is closed. It closed last Monday. It's supposed to be closed for 2 weeks, and I really don't see...
No, see nothing yet. It's just a bunch of barriers right now.
I really don't see where they've done much. Center Point Drive over by the Taco Bell and the Wendy's, they've got construction going on there. Looks like they're widening the road. We got some drone video of that for you. We had heard that the exit ramp from westbound 70 to 235 was going to be closed this week, but it's wide open.
Not yet.
We got some drone footage to show you what that area looks like. We did see on the news this week that the target completion date for this Buc-ee's is April of 2026, so we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it gets done a little sooner, but you never know. Hopefully it's not any later. They making a lot of progress these last couple weeks. Well, that's going to do it for today. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. As always, thanks for watching.
We'll see you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Notice here at the underground fuel storage tank area, 2 of the tanks have been covered up, and it looks like the equipment's in place to cover up the other 4 tanks. Here's a look at the retail store with the roof supports and roof trusses in place. There's been a lot of progress made since we made our last video. This is Center Point Drive, next to the Taco Bell and Wendy's restaurants. You can see some of the road construction that's going on here in preparation for the new Buc-ee's. This is the exit ramp from I-70 West to State Route 235. Some preparation going on over here to add an extra lane to this exit ramp for the new store. This is Arts Road. It's been closed down for the last week. We're going to be doing a little bit of construction work here, preparation for the new store, but as of right now, you can't see any progress.